We know the pandemic has taken a toll on so many of us and in so many different ways.
Some therapists say now is the time when people could notice a dramatic change in their mental health. Our health reporter Haley Hernandez spoke to one of those therapists and is joining us live in the newsroom with more on this story. Haley?
So the therapist I spoke with says signs of mental health struggles can appear about 18 months after a traumatic event. So that 18-month mark is about now. So here's how you can recognize if your mental health is suffering and you might not even realize it.
Signs of the pandemic taking a toll on mental health are all around us. Clinical director of the Nick Finnegan Counseling Center, Audrey Omenson, says road rage and increased homicides are example that people aren't dealing well with emotions right now. But those are the extreme. There's a chance you may be struggling too and can't pinpoint why.
The way our nervous system works is it can keep us going, keep pumping us with adrenaline, keep us in kind of go mode or like, well, we don't have an option. We've got to keep doing this. But it can also tell when we start to experience some relief. We can rest a little bit. It's like, okay, now we can feel all the other stuff that we've been kind of putting under the surface.
Whether you lost a job, lost a loved one during the pandemic, or just feel the stress that everyone felt from managing new childcare and work routines, some examples of symptoms you may begin to feel now include fatigue, burnout, exhaustion, irritability, difficulty sleeping or sleeping too much, or just feeling stuck.
Some of that might actually be coming up more for them now because there's a little bit more space to actually feel it.
Her advice is to talk to a doctor, a therapist, a friend about those feelings. The pandemic has made it easier than ever to get professional help through virtual visits and apps. And overall, it's eliminated the stigma about struggling with stress.
What can I do in my life to set myself up to actually really feel really good in my life, not just barely make it through the day?
Now, she says that last year, the Nick Finnegan Counseling Center did 1,300 more sessions than the previous year. She anticipates that they'll have even more in the year to come as they currently have a waiting list to meet with their counselors. Just shows how much people are seeking mental health help right now. But the good news is that Nick Finnegan Counseling Center sees anyone regardless of the ability to pay. Everyone pays something, but they will work with you to cover the cost. Lauren and Chris?
All right. Haley.